If you will notice the way I designed our house, it's like very open to the garden. It's all like glass around the house. It's my way of bringing what's outside inside. I like the idea of being around or surrounded by nature. When designing, you have to consider what's available in a certain place, the condition of a certain site. We try to keep it as natural as possible. This is where the birds live, feed. And I think it's very important to consider what is here.
Sa amin, yung ginagawang mga materyales, yung bakbak, kasi yung available dito, karagumoy, buri, tapos minsan yung pandan, yun yung ginagawa nila.
Itong kaligay na tinatawag sa amin, diyan lang ito kinukuha sa seagrass areas. Pero habang tumatagal yung panahon, talagang paunti ng paunti yung nakukuha. Yung shellcraft industry ang pinaka-main livelihood ng tao nung araw. Kaya lang, habang tumatagal yung panahon, medyo humihina na rin yung mga order sa labas. Kaya kung titinan mo ngayon, parang konting tao, ilang pamilya na lang yung nag-engage sa shellcraft industry. Kung bagay, yung mga dating designs pa ang ginagawa ngayon. Parang nakikitang walang parang innovation sa designs.
There were many hesitations, no? Maraming hesitations, probably because of their condition. Yung mga conditions sila sa workplace, yung feeling not so confident. I feel you need to push them a little bit. When I was asking them to do certain things, so sabihin nila, medyo mahirap yan. We don't do that before. We've not been doing that before. So ako naman, I'd push them, I'd tell them, kaya niyan. Sige, pag nagawa niyo yan, for sure, I'll be able to take that sa mga shows, and then you'll get better orders, mga ganon. So, in the end, they would try. And na-encourage sila ng ganon. I see that in them.
Sa barangay namin, parang tinututukan ko yung livelihood center kasi isa nga yung barangay namin sa parang mahirap yung mga tao. Kaya ito yung handicraft, malaking tulong.
I want to share as a designer what I feel towards the elements, no? Like, if there's rain, I want them to feel the rain. If there's the sun, I want the sun to touch them. The wind, same. The structure is giving you that experience.